How about a peek at my camp kitchen? Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all need more of the old ways these days. At the beginning of each meal, we started by building a great big fire so we'd have a nice bed of wonderful hot coals to cook over. I just love this setup. It is so much fun and so many different camping meals we can do. I had a lot of fun cooking this week. I love these cast iron pie irons. They are fabulous for making all sorts of camp meals, and the kids love being able to make meals themselves. Public service announcement: never try to sanitize your cast aluminum pie irons in the fire. Yuck. Between the campfire and this little camp kitchen setup, I cooked for 22 people, including fry bread this week. And it was so much fun, as usual. And on the last foggy morning, we had a great blue heron in the tree. Can you spot it? It isn't very easily seen. If you like my content, be sure to subscribe so I know which content to make more of. Thank you and have a great day.